Hi there, it's Leon from the development team. Um, Here to announce that the call reporting area within call reporting, has been enhanced and streamlined and updated. So the UIs have been streamlined. You can view the filter options here. As you can see with call status, we've added answered, missed, no answer, declined, canceled, failed, and voicemail. There is a chart for first time caller status, and it breaks it down. There are also call duration stats in several places. You can also see like top call sources and top call agents to identify who your best agents are. And again, we've specifically broke this down into incoming and outgoing, aspects so that you can focus on which call types you're working with. That's all for now.